Assalamu alaikum. I am Malik Farooq, lecturer of Zoology by BHSS LANGATE. The topic that I have chosen for the 11th class medical, especially for zoology, it is animal kingdom. My dear students, as we know that there is 1.2 million species of animals though they are metazoans like plants, but they differ from the plants in certain characters. For example, plastids, cell wall, and central vacuole. This absence of plastids, cell wall and central vacuole. इतनी सारी जो है 1.2 मिलियन स्पीशीज ऑफ एनिमल्स, उनको रिकॉग्नाइज करना, इनकी जान पहचान हासिल करना, ये तो एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है। अब इस चैलेंज को हम जो नेचुरलिस्ट है, बायोलॉजिस्ट है, जोलॉजिस्ट है, बॉटनिस्ट है, इसके लिए उन्होंने एक ऐसा एक प्रोग्राम बनाया है विच वी कॉल एज क्लासिफिकेशन, यानी एनिमल किंगडम एंड क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एनिमल्स. Why we need classification of animals? Because it involves grouping of organisms in different groups on the basis of certain similarities and differences. We can identify them, we can classify them, we can make their groups, so that for a student, or so that for a naturalist, so that for a research scholar, it will be an easy task for him to recognize whether it's a plant, whether it's an animal, whether it's something else. There is a relationship between the different organisms that is why we need classification. That is why we need classification. As I have told you that this animal kingdom, it's a large and vast kingdom, so we need to classify it. For the classification, there are certain features, general features or bases on which we can classify this animal kingdom. For example, the first thing is habitat. Number second, organization. Number third, body plan. Number four, symmetry. Number five, cellum, or we can say it body cavity. Number six, segmentation. There are various points on the basis of which we can divide this animal kingdom into different groups. We can say the dwelling place of an organism. On this point, we can also divide the animal kingdom into different groups. For example, number first, it is aquatic. Generally, we can say that this type of habitat contains those organisms or those animals which generally live in the water. But there are also subtypes. For example, freshwater animals. Number second, marine water. कोई डीप मैरीन वाटर में रहता है, कोई शैलो रहता है, कोई ऊपर वाले हिस्से में रहता है. Then there comes the third point, terrestrial. Those animals which generally live on the land. और उसकी भी किस्में हैं. फिर आगे जाके इसके भी बहुत सारी किस्में. Rest we will deal in the next lecture. Thank you.